This looks like a little iced cookie style ornament. It's a little elf. And the number is, these are from Raz, and the number is 3915545. So there's a little elf. Elf, he's playing on the back, so that would be easy to personalize. And then this little Santa. And there's another little style. I think that's the snowman, I guess. So it's Santa, snowman, and elf. There's two different styles of ribbon on this tree. This one is a red green and has little curly things on the edge. It's got a little bit of glitter. It's got some emerald green, lime, and red. It's 2.5 inches in width, and there's 10 yards on the roll. And the number is RW701983. The other ribbon is this black and white sweater print, sweater pattern. It's got reindeers and snowflakes. That number is RG0169902. That's 2.5 yards in width and 10 yards on the roll. Of course, all these ribbons are wired. This spray in the tree is a red and green. It's kind of a chenille. It's got little foamy circles and puffy balls and little white beads in between some of the pieces, and it is 282291, and it's wired. You can bend these, and they kind of spring around. They also use some of these plush candy canes, and they have a little glittery little bit of ribbon and some holly berries and some jingle bells, and it's made out of chenille, and that number is 38067888. This leaf spray here is 84170SP24. It has glittery little variegated leaves and then little puffball type red berries. It's about 24 inches. These are little coffee cups. They look like coffee to go. One is red, one is green. These are from Raz, and the number is 3952960. This is really cute. They even have like a little sippy cup top. That's hard to say. But red and green coffee cups. The Cheeseburger is also from Raz, and that number is 3952890, or hamburger, whatever they want to call it. But it's a glass ornament. Isn't that cute? This is a taco. It's also from Raz, and that number is 3952875. Looks just like a taco. This red and white striped chenille ball ornament is made out of styrofoam. It's very lightweight, and that number is 84156RDWT, and it's about 4.5 inches. Then we have another red, white, and green ball, and it's made out of the little puffy balls, and it's 4 inches. It's called a Yuletide Ball. It's lime red, white felt ball. Oh, I didn't give you the number. 282289. This is a retro finial from Raz, and I think we have it in several colors. This is the green, but it's kind of the old-fashioned look finial, and that number is 3912532. And this is a little puffy ball spray that matches that ball ornament that I showed you. It is 282288. It's lime red and white felt balls. It's about 21 inches. And they just kind of spring around. It's kind of on a wire. These bottle brush trees are kind of a throwback retro look, and that number is, that's a Raz item, and it's 3406168, and I think they're sold as a set of 2, so there are 2 sizes. And then there's one more little pom-pom tree. Isn't that cute? Red, and it's like red and green, and it's got 2 different shades of green. And that number, that's Raz, and that's 3720179. It's about 15 inches.